Kathleen here. So I did a full review on this IQAir hospital grade air cleaning system. I went through it extensively. You can see these red lights blinking for the V5 cell and the PreMax filters. Not the HEPA filter, but these other two need to be replaced. You can also see it here. It says replace filter. I just missed it. And you're going to see something pretty funny when I hit this. So I go ahead and hit menu. It says the PreMax remaining life has negative 4,383 hours. So I missed it a long time ago. And if I hit the up arrow button, I can see that the remaining life on the V5 cell has negative 2,683 hours. I need to get these changed. Let's do it. So I have these filters on hand, the PreMax filter and the V5 cell filter. You may wonder why I got the IQAir brand versus a knockoff brand. And because I bought this unit especially for filtering air and the air quality, I wanted to use their filters. Just because something says it's a HEPA filter, and it may be a HEPA filter, or it may be one of these PreMax filters or the cell filter, a lot of times what I have found is filters don't always have the same amount of HEPA or whatever they're doing. So although they still are what they say they are, they're not filtering to the same extent that the brand filters are. So I got these unboxed and they both come shrink wrapped. They also come with instructions on how to replace the filters, which is helpful in case you lost your instruction manual. All right, so now we're going to open it and replace the filters. So you pull this out. Sometimes they close on you. You have to just be careful to kind of push them open. Take the top off. This is the HEPA filter, so we're going to just take it off and put it aside. We're only changing this one and the bottom one. So this one is the V5 cell. So we're just going to lift it up and out. I'm slipping the new one in. All right, so that one's good. And we can take this off. And now we're trying to get down to the very bottom one. We need to take that whole thing out. We need to lift up on it and pull it out. It's not as simple as it sounds, but once you get used to it, you can do it. All right, so then we're just gonna put this one here. There are clamps on here, so we need to take these little clamps off. We're gonna actually remove them. And then we're gonna take this filter out. They say to turn it upside down. I might do that, but I'm not going to. Take it out and replace it. And I'm just going to show you the difference. So the new one is going in nice and clean. Put the clamps back. Probably should have paid a little more attention to how they were on here. Okay, I'm going to put this one back. Get it secure in place. And I'm going to put this guy back. Going to put the HEPA filter back. And put the lid back. Reopen it because it is closed on me. So put the lid back on. Make sure everything's set and stabilized in the right spot. Plug it back in so we can reset the filters. Okay, so to reset the filter, it says to hold the menu button, press the menu button 7 times. So it says new filter, press and hold enter until the flashing cursor appears. Okay. Press the up arrow to select the one that's been replaced. So the V5 has been replaced, hit enter. And now we see that the V5 is flashing red. I hit enter again and it's green. Now I need to do this again. New filter. Looks like you have to hold the button down, the enter button down a little bit. So that's correct. So I'm going to say enter. New filter is the PreMax, yes. So I have to hit enter again, and now it's green. So now it is reset. And now it's good to go for a while. So let's go back to the menu. Remaining time, 5,400 hours for the PreMax. The V-Cell has 7,100 hours. And the HyperHEPA still has 15,200 hours. So there's a lot of life left in the HyperHEPA. And I'll have to probably replace the others before the HyperHEPA, which is great. I hope that was helpful.